Let me ask you something honest. You work hard, right? Maybe you even save money every month. But 5 years from now, will you actually be richer? Or will you just be older? Because here's what nobody tells you. Working hard and building wealth are two completely different games. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why 90% of people stay broke their entire life and the one mindset shift that puts you in the top 10%. Stay till the end because the last habit I share is the one most people ignore and it's the most powerful of all. Here's the hard truth. Most of us were taught the same thing growing up. Study hard, get a good job, save money, and retire at 60. That's the plan, right? But look around. How many people actually retire wealthy following that plan? Almost none. And it's not because they weren't smart. It's not because they didn't work hard. It's because they were playing the wrong game. You see, there are two types of people in this world when it comes to money. Type 1, the worker. They trade their time for money every single day. They get a salary, they spend it, they save a little, and they repeat this until they are 60 years old. Type 2, the investor. They use their money to make more money while they sleep, while they eat, while they're on vacation. Their money works for them, not the other way around. The difference between these two people isn't intelligence. It isn't even the amount of money they started with. The difference is their mindset. And that mindset, that's exactly what we are breaking down today. So, what exactly is the investor mindset? Let me break it down simply. Most people look at $10,000 and think, okay, that's 1 month's rent, or that's a new phone, or that's a vacation. A legendary investor looks at $10,000 and thinks, how do I turn this into $50,000? What asset can I buy with this that will pay me back over time? This is called seeing money as a seed, not a fruit. When you eat the fruit, it's gone, but when you plant the seed, it multiplies. Every legendary investor, Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, Charlie Munger, they all share this one belief. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that can never work for you again. Now I know what some of you are thinking, but I don't have enough money to invest. I hear you. I thought the same thing. But here's what changed everything for me. I stopped asking, how much money do I have? And started asking, how much money am I creating? That shift from scarcity thinking to abundance thinking, that's where legendary wealth begins. The goal isn't to save more. The goal is to create more income streams. And that starts with how you think, not how much you have. Okay, so now let's get practical. Here are 3 habits that every legendary wealth builder shares and how you can start implementing them today. Habit number 1. They invest before they spend. Most people earn money, spend it on everything they need, and invest whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Legendary investors flip this completely. The moment money comes in, a percentage goes directly into investments. Not next month, not after bills. First. Automate this. Even $100 do a month invested consistently beats $1,000 invested randomly. Habit number 2. They invest in their knowledge before anything else. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading, not scrolling social media, not watching Netflix, reading about businesses, markets, and ideas. You don't need to read 8 hours a day, but every legendary investor you've ever heard of, they're obsessed with learning. 1 book a month about money or investing will put you ahead of 95% of people within a year. Habit number 3. They think in decades, not days. This one separates the truly legendary from everyone else. When the market drops, most people panic and sell. Legendary investors buy more. Why? Because they are not thinking about today, they are thinking about 10 years from now. Compound interest is the most powerful force in wealth building, but it only works if you're patient enough to let it run. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. The ones who understand it, earn it. The ones who don't, pay it. So, here's how you start, right now, today, no matter where you are financially. Step 1. Open a free investment account. It just takes 10 minutes.
Step 2. Start a SIP, a systematic investment plan with even $100 a month in an index fund. That's it. You've now started your wealth journey. Step 3. Commit to learning one new thing about money every single week. A YouTube video, a podcast, a chapter of a book. Knowledge compounds just like money does. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. The channel name is Legendary Wealth, and I chose that name for a reason. Because I believe legendary wealth isn't for a lucky few. It's for anyone willing to think differently, act consistently, and never stop learning. That includes you. If this video gave you even one thing to think about differently, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. And if you want to join a community of people building legendary wealth together, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep investing, keep growing, and remember, your financial future is being built right now, one decision at a time.